Good morning guys. Today is the third day of our trip in Germany and today we're going shopping in Leer. It's about half an hour drive and Noortje is sitting behind me. We're waiting in the car. The guys are getting some bread rolls for dinner and for breakfast. And we're going to Leer to shop in I think 2, maybe 3 stores. And that's it, and then we're gonna go home again because, you know, Corona and everything, we don't really want to go shopping. But we do want to go shopping. But now we have to wait until the boys get back because we want dinner tonight, and Tim only cooks once in a
blue moon.
in a what? In
a blue moon.
Yeah, anyway, on holiday, so. Okay, I think over there on the other side of the tracks, where the train is now, there's the parking lot where we want to park. But we can't go over the tracks, it's closed. So we have to be just on the other side. How do we get there? Found it! Thanks to Tim and Google Maps. Okay, we can drive! We can drive! Go man, go! So Tim is already happy. If we can't find anywhere to eat, they have braadworst over here. And currywurst. First stop, Müller. We do like Müller. They have toys, they have stationery and other stuff. So, Müller?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go inside. Mask up. It's the law.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's go. So there's a lot of pusheen over here. And did we buy something?
No.
Noortje, did we? No. You'll find out.
Well, maybe 1 or 2 things.
So we want to eat something, but we're not gonna go here, we're not gonna go there. Where are we gonna go, Timothy? We took a little detour. Tim says he knows where we're going, so okay. We'll find out. We're having schnitzel, guys. We found the place. 600 meters. And Tim is filling in a form with our name and address and phone number. So if something happens over here, Corona, then they can call us. And then we can call everyone we saw. And then it's really a smart idea.
Ik geef gewoon jullie thuisadres maar hoor.
So Johnny has Zigeuner schnitzel.
Zigeuner schnitzel, yes.
And we have just regular plain schnitzel with a lot of fries and a lot of mayonnaise. Oh my gosh. So tonight we're having bread rolls because we have our veggies right here. It's enough for one day, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm not even gonna eat it.
Too many veggies. Too healthy. Are you happy, Tim? That's why you wanted to go to Germany, right?
I'm done.
We can go home. They have the best schnitzel. It's so pretty over here. The houses are insane. Look at it.
I kind of like it.
Yeah, me too. I'm gonna take a picture. But of course there are also houses like this. That's awesome. Let's do it on our house, Johnny. Let's get the crayons. It's a penny machine.
Penny machine.
Someone get me some money.
I don't think I actually have any. Ik wel, denk ik wel. Oh, good. Because I don't.
Yay!
Yeah.
It'll take a minute. Because I want the last one.
Always.
Always. I'm not difficult at all. Here we go. Hand me the money. 5 cents. Oh. Here, a euro over there. Corona on my hand. And here you go.
You can do it.
I can do it.
You can do it.
I can do it.
You can do it.
I can do it. I can't do it. I just did it. Oh. I want me 5 cents back.
Are you happy?
I'm so happy. Now let's disinfect my hands. Go inside the store, you have to do your hands every time. I mean, I have hardly got any skin left.
Yeah.
I've done it 20 times already. But I've got a penny.
Yay.
5 cents actually. On holiday, and what do I see? My Dutch living room. What? Okay, so this is apparently Dutch. Okay. Ah, this is weird. Over here it says Kaatjes Kaasshop, which means Kaatjes Cheese Shop. And my name, when my mom wanted something from me, it was not Karin, but Kaatje. Kaatje, are you there? That's just weird. I have a cheese shop. I didn't know, but apparently I do. Okay. So I'm looking for a Little Red Riding Hood, but in Dutch it's Roodkapje. And in German it's Roodkäppchen, which means, yeah, actually Little Red Riding Hood, but a kapje or a caption can also be what that little figurine is wearing.
Mouth mask.
Mouth mask. That's
Face
just
mask.
fun. Face mask, yeah. So let's see if they have a Roodkäppchen in here. Let's go. So guys, we're going out for lunch, and actually we wanted pizza, but we couldn't find a real nice restaurant in the neighborhood. So, well, what shall we do? Schnitzel! We're gonna have some more schnitzel because, you know, why not? This was delicious yesterday, so... Oh, by the way, it's the next day! Look, and here's the town's roundabouts. That's what I wanted to show you. Awesome, right? Beautiful. We're going to Berger, I think. Well, Berger Schnitzel. Look, they're so happy to see us. There are all kinds of little bunting flag thingies. We're here. Yay. Especially for us. I think so, yeah. Yes, of course. Almost there. So Jenny is filling in the form that we are here. I think that's really a nice idea. They don't do that in the Netherlands, do they? No. No, we went for dinner at the Chinese restaurant.
Not yet.
Not yet. Hello, darling. So over there it says den verschwommenen Rand das Smartphone nennt man übrigens Leben. Oh, you can't see it. And that means that fake border, what you see around.
Fakely see around your smartphone.
Yeah, what you fakely see around your smartphone. We call that live. So guys, you're watching on your smartphone. What's happening around you is live. Anyway. Oh, whoa, zoomed in. Hi, darling. Let's zoom out. Luckily it wasn't you, Tim. Aww. Time for a little game. So at the moment, these are out of the game. This is the only one you can still get. And Tim has
Nothing.
nothing. He likes it.
You stole everything.
Johnny has 2 stones.
No, 2 worms.
2 worms.
worms
Well,
count.
the worms count. I have all of these.
A whole lot of worms.
Cheating.
So I think I'm gonna win. But it's not sure yet. We're not finished.
You jinxed it now.
What is it? The worms are the good ones. So you've got 26.
No, game's over and we
Game is
count
over.
our score.
Let's count the scores.
0.
Tim has, where are they? 0. You need to count the worms, not the...
4 worms.
I've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 16 worms. 16, 4, 0. Who's the winner here? Hey, I'm the winner. I love this game. Let's do it again. Okay. Oh. So second try. Tim.
Going really well.
0. It's going really well, right?
0.
0. Hi. Dun, 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 dun. But still, the game just started. But continue, darling. Give it your best shot.
It won't be much, but it's something.
Okay, fellas, how much?
Well, it's not 0, so it's an improvement. I have
How many worms?
5 worms.
5 worms.
Read them and weep.
4 worms.
Oh yeah. So what does that leave for me? Let's see. 3, 5, 7, 9. Oh, I can't count that much. How much is
13.
it? 30, 16, 19.
19 worms. You better see your doctor.
Yeah, I won again. I won again. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
How is this
Nice game.
possible?
So, time for some candy now. They're silent. That is so.
One more rematch, 2 against 1.
Yeah.
While I was taking a nap, Noortje started drawing. What did you make?
This handsome boy.
It's a llama.
I made these yesterday, and I made
What?
ta-ta-ta.
Oh, kawaii na. That's so cute.
I used the markers for these, but they're pretty bad. You can't really color with them. They're okay for an accent, but they kind of
Coloring.
suck.
But this is so cute.
The white is pretty good though.
Yeah, I've actually only used the white, I think. It's awesome.
And this is because the table was dirty.
Stupid table. Nice. Cute.
Thanks.
So we've got knackwursten. What are they called?
Hot dogs?
A little hot dog.
Basically hot dogs.
Yeah. And Tim has got
Currywurst.
currywurst. That's why he comes to Germany. For
For
this.
the food.
For the food. That's
I
it.
got a strawberry
A
frog.
strawberry frog. That's just weird. So, I want some knackwurst. Hand me a knackwurst.
Pivootje?
Yes. A 1?
There.
Well, thank you. 2 is enough. Thank you, darling.
You're quite welcome.
Well, eet smakelijk allemaal. Goed. What do they say in Germany? Guten Appetit? Appetit?
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit? They say that.
Essen Sie schmecklich.
Essence is schmecklich. I don't think that's German. Okay. Well, enjoy our last dinner over here because this is our dinner. And then we're gonna pack some more and then I'm gonna beat those 2 again with a game.
No,
Are you in?
Stick.
Are you in?
Again.
Again. It's time to go home again, guys. We had such a lovely stay over here. But we've been here for 4 nights and it was just a short vacation, so we're going back to the Netherlands. So we've packed up all our stuff and Tim and I are gonna see if we can fit it back in the car. We don't even have that much with us, although, look at this. But this needs to go with us. And then some bags. Oops. And a lot of shoes. Which you can't see. And a lot of shoes. Okay, Tim. Stop being friendly and helping your father. Let's go and pack the car.
Well, you're on your own.
What? Let's do this.
Alright.
And we managed to get everything back into the car again. It all just perfectly fits. Okay. So one more check to see if we've got everything. And you can see the house again. Huge hallway. And me and you. Look how cute that is. So, let's see. We didn't leave anything in the bathroom. And nothing over here. I like this, by the way. I've got all kinds of different knobs over here. Okay, so nothing over here. Okay, look how huge this is. And this is our bedroom. Well, it used to be. Very comfortable bed. Okay, bye. luckily we didn't need the umbrella. Oh, Tim is not here, so I think we're taking him with us. Okay guys, are you ready to go? No. Notch is tucked away behind her blankie. Watch out, we're just gonna leave you here. I do love that painting.
Take it with you.
It's not gonna fit in the car. It's huge. And I'm not sure if I showed you the garden. This is the garden. But wait, there's more. Again, the mini bar. And then over here, by the way, we have a garden as well. There's a ducky. And another garden. With a little seat. How do you say that? Tables and chair. Tables and chair. Table and chair. It's difficult. And a golf ball in the middle of the grass. Oh well.
We didn't even go there.
We didn't even go there, no. We need to come back and stay longer. There's so much to do over here and we didn't do any of them. Okay. We didn't forget Johnny, he's over there. So the kitchen is cleaned. So we didn't forget anything, nothing in the refrigerator. No, just the stuff that you got for free and we didn't use. Here you see, looks awesome. And I absolutely love this. I want this in my home, in my own home. You know, we've got extra space over here and then you've got extra space over here. And you've got a closet with cleaning supplies and there's also a shed with 4 bikes that you can use. This is insane. I mean, insane. Okay, but now it's time to go home again. Let's go. As you can see, I'm a bit warm. The weather has been amazing. It is a bit hot now that we're packing the car and it's a bit humid, but it hasn't rained, there was sun, and when we needed clouds, because we didn't want it to be too warm, there were clouds. It was perfect. Perfect. Now let's go home. Bye, house.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, it said bye back. Did you hear that? Bye. Oh, just once.
Bye.
Okay, and here you go. Back home again. So we're in Groningen, and I always love these 2 buildings. This one is nice, but this one I absolutely love. It's weird and I love it. Just thought I'd share it.